Bakit? Para ay bawas yung linya.
Thank you so much, teachers, for welcoming our individuals, largest participants, and visitors for your moving up ceremony. And before proceeding to the next part of our program, we would like to acknowledge first award and the Writing Award, Zion Fidel Art Navel, Zikaria C. Meliso, with honors, Eager Giver Award, Happy Helper Award, Neat and Clean Kid Award, and the Writing Award, Yosten Albert, Zikaria C. Melissa. With honors, Hunter C. Romero, Energetic Kid Award, and the Writing Award, No Still Alphabet, Hunter C. Romero. Rodolfo B. Sardu on tenure, with honors, Friendly Neighbor Award, Eager Giver Award, Knows the Alphabet, Rodolfo B. Sardu on tenure. Akea Alexa Dolera, with honors, Golden Heart Award, Patience Advocate Award, Akea Alexa Dolera. John R. Bonnet, with honors, Artistic Hand Award.